of biogas and other valuable resources. The Deep Space Vanguard deploy planetside to deploy the Ark subsurface scanner and probe the bug infestation. The only good bug is a dead bug.
Brimstone 1, this is Fire. Your mission is to establish a base and power up the Ark. Once it has been fully activated, we'll return to extract you and your team. Good luck, troopers.
Troopers, Command has authorized a weapon drop. We've loaded a bird with a few M55 rocket launchers with nuclear munitions. The location is marked on the TAC map. Happy hunting!
Mobile HQ is transmitting, and we have a fix on your location. Ark is en route.
Loaded up with the payload. Vulture 1 on the way. Clear the drop zone. Payload has been delivered. Brimstone 1, have the Ark. Vulture 1, returning to base.
Brimstone 1, we marked a few ore veins on your map. Grab those resources. You're gonna need them. Ore refineries locations on the TAC map. These resources are vital for the war effort.
Loading fresh mag.
There's a bug hole to our northeast. We're just gonna keep spawning from there.
Large Arachnid patrol detected in the field. Its destruction is highly recommended.
Yeah, there's a
Warning,
hole over there.
Arachnid threat levels have increased.
Very tiny. That's just a bug hole across the bridge.
A special nuclear delivery is coming in hot. I hope you're rated to use the M55 rocket launcher.
Sky Marshal Ramsey has limited the meat for the grinder.
There's a bug hole where the bugs are
Brimstone 1.
constantly getting
Reinforcements don't
scanned on
roll
the
on
map.
trees. Mission success is imperative.
Ability active. Throwing grenade. Grenade out.
Bug hole mark.
Warning, Arachnid threat levels have increased. Arachnid hive detected in your sector. Proceed to destroy it.
Changing magazines!
Oh shit.
Vital signs critical.
I'm out of ammo!
Trauma stabilized.
Brimstone 1, we got word that the FedNet camera crew near your location has been lost. We need you to grab that camera and get rolling. We need that broadcast pronto.
Large Arachnid patrol detected in the field. Its destruction is highly recommended.
There's a hive up at the moment.
You asked and you shall receive, Brimstone 1. A special nuclear delivery is coming in hot. I hope you're rated to use the M55 rocket launcher.
All DSB squads, code tanker. Code tanker. All mission parameters are suspended. Kill this bug now. Vital signs critical.
You just hit first.
Oh, tanker, nice. Bring it back to base.
No. That one rocket launcher killed the seat.
Cover me! Reloading!
It actually spawned, didn't glitch. No.
Brimstone 1, tanker spotted in your sector. All mission priorities are suspended. Main mission is to defend the base.
It's a seat,
The base is
motherfucker.
under attack in the southern quadrant.
There's some bugs on the floor too, watch out.
Ping that scene, please.
The base is under attack in the southern quadrant. Leading south.
Throwing grenade! Changing mags!
The base is under
After we
attack
finish
in
that
the southern
tanker, there's a
quadrant.
bug hole in here.
Enemy Arachnid patrol detected. Eliminate it to reduce Arachnid threat levels in your AO. Be advised, sensors indicate Arachnid threat levels have risen.
Changing magazines! Damn it! Grenade!
Leading south. The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
Grenade going out! Loading fresh mag! Activating ability!
Scratch that tanker. You can breathe easy for now, Brimstone 1, but your job is still not
Go
done.
take care of the bug hole over there.
Reloading!
4 refineries locations on the TAC map. These resources are vital for the war effort.
Good job, guys.
Loading fresh mag!
Refinery activated. The base is under attack in the southern quadrant.
Heads up, grenade out! Loading fresh mag!
Enemy Arachnid
Hey, there's
patrol
another bug
detected.
hole to the
Eliminate it
northwest.
to reduce Arachnid threat levels in your AO. Warning. Arachnid threat
where all
has
these
risen
things are
in
coming from.
severity.
Ah, shit, I'm down. The bug hole where my dead body is
The
on the
base
map,
is under attack in the southern quadrant.
like near it.
Resources ready. The base refinery activated. Ore levels are good, Brimstone 1. Command recommends getting the ARC online. We need that scan data. Troopers, gas refineries in your sector have been marked on the TAC map. Get the gas to power the ARC. On the bounce.
Changing magazines!
The base is under attack in the western quadrant. A VIP needs armed escort to their destination. They are being hunted. You know what to do, Brimstone 1. Troopers, this sector is under plasma bombardment. Expect casualties. On the bounce. Be advised, Arachnid patrol spotted in your AO. Proceed to terminate the patrol.
Yeah, the bugs are bugged right now. I think we killed all the bugs. Took out all the bugs and the holes. Took out the tanker. Quiet now. Sexually assault.
Resources ready.
Grandma was actually the one sexually assaulting them.
Refinery activated.
Oh, that's fine. I want to disappoint her too.
Resources ready. The plasma bugs have been exterminated. Continue with the mission. Activated. Large Arachnid patrol detected in the field. Its destruction is highly recommended.
There's gotta be like another bug hole or something somewhere. That's probably why there's nothing spawning. Just gonna go take a walk. Yeah, there's still 2 nuke things on the map. Thanks, I appreciate that. I did find a bug hole, but there's nothing spawning out of it. Mark it on the map. And nothing spawning. An easy kill.
We got incoming plasma bombardment. Keep eyes on and get the job done ASAP.
That nuke thing.
Be
Just like
advised,
the movie.
Arachnid
Okay, cool.
patrol spotted in your AO. Proceed to terminate the patrol.
Oh, I thought it was gonna be a lot more explosive. Yeah, I didn't know that too. If you walk into it, you just like instantly die.
Yeah, that's just what happened.
Calm before the storm. Put that in the background of the map. It's like all stormy too, so it's kind of fits it.
I don't see any bugs.
Brimstone 1, Command has authorized a weapon drop. We have some M55 rocket launchers, nuclear munitions en route to your position. Check your TAC map for details.
Hey look, there's a bug. What the fuck? Oh shit, here I'll mark it.
Brimstone 1, an abandoned fortification is still standing nearby. Command has authorized tearing
Hear
it down
that?
to reuse materials.
One bug.
Silat bug.
They're coming from the cave. There must be like a bug hole in there then.
Oh, Bombardier.
Yeah, they're coming from this cave. Oh shit, look at that. Found the bugs. God, my game's glitching. Oh god, I'm probably gonna die. Yeah. We need those.
The base is under attack in the western quadrant. On the bounce, troopers. Plasma bombardment has subsided. Be advised, Arachnid patrol spotted in your AO. Proceed to terminate the patrol.
Take a quick little peek in this thing. Oh, there's bugs in here. Oh yeah, there's a lot of bugs in here. Oh god.
The base is under attack
I'm
in the
dead.
western
Medic.
quadrant.
They'll probably start spawning once we have to defend the base.
Yeah, there's a bug hole to the
Yeah.
northwest with the where the nuke thing was. For the hive.
We need one more guard and we done.
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant. That is the last one, Brimstone 1. Arc ready and
Plenty of
powering
time
up.
to knock out that one.
The slam will bring every bug in your sector to you. Last chance to build any defenses. Get a move on, trooper. First aid
Heads up,
administered.
grenade out! Changing mags! Cover me! Reloading! Oh.
Let's just head back to base.
Changing magazines!
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
Huh?
Troopers, you got 30 seconds until the arc slams. Trauma stabilized.
We got a couple engineers on the team. They can drop some ammo cams if we need them.
Troopers, 10 seconds
Oh,
until
you're
the
over
arc
there.
activates. Connection active with the arc. Ground wave from the arc stirred up some of the horde. Hostiles are en route to the arc now. Sonar pulse looks good. Arc is green across the board. Expect a lot of bug resistance. Defend yourselves.
That was good. Good to change things up every now and then. Daydream's right. Don't forget to repair the walls. The bugs actually shut. Oh, there they actually are. Oh, there's a grenadier to the... Got it.
Delivering grenade!
Grenadier southwest.
Throwing grenade!
Tigers on that top platform, west side.
Ability out.
Arc is at 25% complete.
Activating ability.
I marked the Inferno.
Inferno.
Gotcha. Give me a second, man.
Medic! I'm up here, medic.
Get back in the fight.
Keep that base standing, Brimstone 1. We're reading that the Arc is halfway to completion.
Remember if you engineers on the team, if you could drop down some ammo cans. If you need ammo, there's ammo on top of the top building.
Delivering grenade. Changing mags. Delivering grenade.
Arc is at 75%. We're almost there, Brimstone 1.
First aid administered.
Medic. Medic.
Good job, troopers. We are reading the Arc has completed its data collection. Prepare to pack up and extract.
Brimstone 1, we have your location. Stand by for extraction.
Grenade going out.
Get ready to run.
This is Vulture 1. Move to the designated LZ. On the bounce.
Alright, 400 meters to the east. A lot of work down there. Gotta help each other out. Got tigers running close. 6. We got 3 tigers there. Front, keep running.
Throwing grenade.
Man out.
Thanks. Let's wait right here. Wait until the
Trauma
team shows up.
stabilized.
Go, let's go. An engineer in. Oh no, they're both down. Too many, we gotta go. You can get them. Oh god, there's so many. Pull back, run, run. Can't save them, there's too many. Back to tree.
Trauma
Grenade
stabilized.
out.
Man out.
There's a medic. Oh no, the engineer's down
Engaging
right there.
ability. Delivering
Good.
grenade. Loading fresh mag.
Oh, we gotta go. Jump down, break your legs. Medics will save us.
We're leaving at
No, one down, down,
Get
down.
into the ship or be left behind.
Watch out. Oh, whoever did that, nice. Get in the ship, get in the ship. 10 seconds. Run, boys, run.
5 seconds.
Get in there, get in there.
That one, get in.
Oh,
Vulture
no.
report successful pickup. We're coming home.
I jumped out.